Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and I'm gonna show you how to switch the screen refresh rate to the 165 Hz. Basically the highest one that is possible on this phone. So by default, the phone basically is on the auto mode when it comes to the refresh rate, and basically it changes the refresh rate depending on what content you're watching, and that helps to save the battery power. But if you want to use 165 Hz constantly, you can go to settings, find the display and brightness and tap on it, and here you can scroll down and find the option called screen refresh rate. As you can see, by default it's set to the auto select. We can tap on screen refresh rate, and here we have the descriptions. And like I said before, auto select basically changes the refresh rate automatically depending on the content on your screen. Then we have standard, which is 60 Hz, and then we have high, which is 160 Hz. And you can enable it by tapping on it. You can also set the app specific refresh rate, which basically allows you to set some specific refresh rate for specific apps, which could help you save power if, for example, you don't need some apps to run at 165 Hz, but you still want to use the high refresh rate everywhere else. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the settings, and that's how you enable or change to the highest refresh rate on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.